TaoTronics HEPA Air Purifier is best air purifier for the home, which is now getting a deal on Amazon with $8.36 off, which means you can get it around $71.63 instead of $79.99. This is simple to use with all the necessary settings you need. It is missing a couple of good to have settings such as timer and air quality indicators. Having said that, it has a respectable air purification efficiency, so should do the job well. 100% recommended for you guys. You can now buy it on Amazon, link will be provided in the description of the video. That's it from this video. Keep visiting us for tech, gaming and tutorial videos.